वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्टेड हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स लीगल डिक्टेशन हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं 100 वर्ड से मिनट। बट एक क्वेश्चन मेरा सभी स्टूडेंट्स से, जो स्टूडेंट्स वेट कर रहे हैं कि उनका सीपीटी का रिजल्ट आएगा या स्किल टेस्ट की डेट आएगी तब हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने महसूस किया है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल से भी स्टूडेंट्स नहीं लिख रहे हैं जितना पहले लिखते थे, जितनी पहले प्रैक्टिस करते थे। तो मैं ये आपको सलाह दूंगा कि आप प्रैक्टिस मत छोड़िए, वेट उस चीज़ का कीजिए कि आपका स्किल टेस्ट जिस दिन होगा आपकी स्पीड बेस्ट होगी और आप बहुत जो पॉजिटिव रिज़ल्ट आएगा उसके लिस्ट में ऊपर ही होंगे। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 100 वर्ड से मिनट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Indeed, in paragraph 17 of the reported decision, the court in the fact so that case has observed that when the goods are kept in the bonded warehouse, it cannot be said that the said goods had crossed customs frontiers of India. Full stop. However, the court finally answered the claim of the appellants therein on the finding that the liquor, cigarettes, perfumes and food articles were sold at the duty-free shops at the International Airport, Bengaluru, for which no tax was payable by the appellants, as the goods sold at the duty-free shops were sold directly to the passengers, and even the delivery of goods took place at the duty free shops before importing the goods or before the goods had crossed the customs frontiers of India. Full stop. The issue considered in the said decision therefore was whether the sale at the duty free shops situated at the Bengaluru International Airport would attract levy of sales tax. Full stop. As noticed earlier, the definition of customs station clearly refers to customs airport as defined in section 2 subsection 10 of the Customs Act. Full stop. As the duty free shop is situated in airport area, it would mean that the sale of goods at the duty free shops was deemed to have taken place in the course of import of goods into the territory of India. Full stop. Thus understood, the reported decision under consideration is of no avail to the appellants. Full stop. Even the exposition of the Constitution bench in J.V. Gokal, that is sale by an importer of goods after the property of the goods passed to him, either after the receipt of the documents of title against payment or otherwise to a third party by a similar process, is also a sale in the course of import, would equally have no bearing on the present cases. Full stop. Inasmuch as the sale of goods must take place before the goods had crossed the customs frontiers of India, which means it was within the customs port or land customs station area. Full stop. Nothing is shown by the appellants herein to substantiate that the subject bonded warehouse came within the customs port or land customs station area, and more so the stated sales occasioned import of the goods within the territory of India. Full stop. If so, the finding of fact and conclusion recorded by the authorities below, which amended to the High Court, is unexceptionable. Full stop. This court has expounded the factors to the reckoned for determining the matter. Full stop. In the light of the aforesaid settled legal position, emerging from the Constitution bench decisions of this court, the following propositions clearly get projected for deciding whether the concerned sale or purchase of goods can be deemed to take place in the course of import as laid down by section 5 subsection 2 of the Central Sales Tax Act as full stop. 1. The sale or the purchase, as the case may be, must actually take place full stop. 2. Such sale or purchase in India must itself occasion such import and not vice versa, that is, import should not occasion such sale. Stop.